Now, let's start a new topic, ledger. A ledger is the principal book or computer file for recording and totaling economic transactions measured in terms of a monetary unit of account by account type with debits and credits in separate columns and a beginning monetary balance and ending monetary balance for each account. Now, another topic is, what do you mean by ledger? A ledger is a book containing accounts in which the classified and summarized information from the journals is posted as debits and credits. The ledger contains the information that is required to prepare financial statements. It includes accounts for assets, liabilities, owners, equity, revenues, and expenses. Now, let's start. Another question is, what is a ledger in accounts? A journal ledger represents the record keeping system for a company's financial data with debit and credit account records validated by a trial balance. The general ledger provides a record of each financial transaction that takes place during the life of an operating company. What is ledger? And example. Now, ledger is a summary of transactions that relate to a certain account. For example, our bank ledger will summarize all the transactions that involved our bank account. Our loan ledger will summarize all the transactions that involved our loan account and so on. Now, next question is, what is ledger? Short answer. Ledger is the collection of different accounts of assets, liabilities, capital, revenue, and expenses. When transactions are recorded in the journal book of original entry, these are transferred or posted to their respective accounts in ledgers. These are called book of secondary or final entry. Now, another question is, what is ledger entry? A ledger entry is a record made of a business transaction. The entry may be made under either the single entry or double entry bookkeeping system, but is usually made using the double entry format where the debit and credit sides of each entry always balance. What is another word for ledger? In this page, you can discover 11 synonyms, antonyms, idiomatic expressions, and related words for ledger, like ledger, books, account, book, record, book, entry, headstone, tombstone, daybook, book of account, and entries. Now, what are the two types of ledger? Journal ledger is divided into two types: nominal ledger and private ledger. Nominal ledger gives information on expenses, income, depreciation, insurance, etc. And private ledger gives private information like salaries, wages, capitals, etc. Private ledger is not accessible to everyone. Another question is, what is importance of ledger? The ledger is important because it helps you monitor and control a business financial operations. The ledger stores and organizes the information needed to prepare a company's financial statements. It also provides the tools for analysis of accounts and transactions. Now, what is ledger and its types? The three types of ledgers are the journal, debtors, and creditors. The general ledger accumulates information from journals. The purpose of the debtors ledger is to provide knowledge about which customers earn money to the business and how much. The creditors ledger accumulates information from the purchases journal.